Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, you must enable system protection on this drive Windows 11. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Command Prompt. Type net space, start space, VSS. Type BCD edit, find Windows installation drive. Type rstrui.exe space, /offline /c/ /Windows equal to active. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.